you were mine.
What's up everyone, welcome to ZealPlex, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you about how you can go and find the Google keyword which is actually been searched on Google, and how you can go and find that keyword which has been actually used on Google search. So let me just go ahead and show you. So this is going to be a special video because the reason behind why it is special is going to be in the end of the video. So right now I'm going to go to Google and type, for example, this is 2018, so I want to buy a new phone. So what should I search on Google, which is going to be which phone to buy in 2018, and I'm going to go and Google search on that. So this is the keyword which I just searched on Google, and it just gave me the response to that. So which phone to buy in 2018. So how will I get more of the keyword which has been searched on Google, and how Google is going to respond me on that? So I searched which phone to buy in 2018, and Google just gave me what people actually search on Google to get their ranking and get their search on the Google. So these are the best phone out right now, best mobile phones in the world. All of this keyword which is been going to show over here are all keywords which is being searched by many of the people on the internet, that means on Google. So you can go and find this keyword, and it's just all you have to do is just go and search on Google, and in the end of the search you will get that keyword. So that's about it for this video. So reason behind this video is so special is we just hit 50,000 views on my YouTube channel. So thanks a lot for watching my videos, and also 1,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. Keep supporting my channel, and I'll go and find more of this stuff. You can learn more and more things related to technology and how you can grow and make your mind much more brighter. So that's about it for this video. I hope you find this video informative. Make sure to comment it down below what you learned from this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. My name is Nazir and I'm signing out. See you in the next one. Thanks a lot, Zilarius.